Hello everyone. Today we shall learn about the integers. When you entering the school, you starting from the your maths with the counting number. Number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Do you know, student, what is the specific name of this kind of number? Yes, the name of this kind of number is countable number, and another name is natural number. So student, in previous classes you already studied about this natural number, addition of natural number, subtraction, multiplication, division and all the operation of natural number. Okay, now one more number you introduced in previous classes, that one is when in the natural number group, here 0 is adding, so it become a whole number. Correct. So number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. The name of this kind of number is whole number. Okay. Now when 2 is added with number 3, because 2 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, or you can say 2 is natural number, 3 is also natural number, it become the operation of addition is 5. Okay, the operation of addition is here number 5. Student, this is the whole number. 5 is also whole number or natural number. Now the question is it sufficient, this natural number and whole number? So now in this video we are totally discussing about what is the necessity and which number introduced after the whole number. So let us join the video and try to understand. Now student, listen carefully. Necessity is the mother of invention. Man invented whole number when he felt their need. As he progressed, there arose situation in which whole number were found insufficient or inadequate. For example, when 2 is subtracted from number 5, so the remainder it become, or answer it become number 3. Correct. Can you subtract 5 from number 2? Okay, or 7 from number 0? Okay, one more question. Number 100 from number 15. Okay, so student, obviously not. So long as you have only the whole number to work with. Okay, now here, but student, you try to remember what happened with the thermometer. The thermometer is a two-way scale. On it you can read temperature above 0 as well as below the 0. Okay, now you might say that temperature in Srinagar or Jammu Kashmir below 4 degree temperature. So what is that? Okay, and how can we represent this below 4 degree temperature? So obviously this below 4 degree temperature is the minus 4 degree Celsius. Okay, so then which kind of this number? Now one more question. In keeping account or in keeping balance, a businessman also two-way scale in mind. Okay, he may also losses or he may also some gain. What happened if he gain 10 rupees. So obviously he write in plus 10, and if he loses 5 rupees, so he noted in minus 5. So again, what kind of this number? This minus 4 and minus 5. Minus 4 and minus 5. Do you know what is the name of this number? Student, these are the negative number. These are the negative number. Okay. When we talking about the number 5, 6, 7 or 18, 20, 22, these all number not having any sign. So we considering this kind of number as a all positive number. Okay, all positive number. And student, if I am writing minus 4 as and minus 5, minus 6, minus 18, minus 20, all these number are student negative number. Okay, now these are the positive number, these are the negative number, and here I am writing one more number, that one is 0. Okay, this 0 is not positive number and nor negative number. Look at here student, I am drawing here one scale and I am trying to represent all the number in this scale. Here I am writing in middle one 0. Okay, in middle one 0. Okay, and the student, I am writing all positive number on the right hand side of this 0. Right hand side of 0, I am writing here all positive number, means number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7 and so on. These all are positive number. Now in the left side of 0, I am writing here all negative number. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. This is the left hand side of 0. Okay, so student, let us try to understand these. In the scale all number are listed. So from 1 to infinity, the name of this number is natural number. Natural number. Okay, now and from 0 to infinity, here the name of this number is whole number. Whole number. Okay, so but from 0 to left hand side, here all are negative number. Okay, all are negative number. The name of this kind of number is negative number. And if I am saying what about the whole line, this one from 0 to 0, all positive number and all negative number, the name of this all number is nothing but integer. The name of this number is integers. Okay, so student, in this way you can say in the scale or positive number on right hand side of 0, all negative number on the left hand side of 0, these all are integer number. These all are integer number. I hope you understand very clearly. Now we are moving forward. So these all are negative number. Now I am defining all these number one by one. Each natural number. Okay. So student, natural number is the group of number of all positive number. Okay, so if starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, these all are natural number, and this natural number is represented by capital N symbol. Okay, now next is our whole number. So student, whole number also a group of number which is beginning from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and this whole number is symbolically represented by W. Okay, now third one number, the name of this one is integer. So integer number is also a group of number where 0 and all positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on with the all negative number -1, -2, -3 and -4 and so on. These all group. So we can say the integer is the group of all natural number, all whole number. Okay, with denoted by it's a capital I or Z as a symbolically. Okay, so in this way student we define the natural number, whole number and integer. For understanding the fact, I am drawing here one number line scale. Okay, so this is a number line scale. In this number line scale again I am representing all the integer number here, in middle one 0 and all right hand side number are positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and on left hand side number are negative number. So I am writing here this one -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Now student, try to understand here, this middle one is 0 and this is nor negative and not positive. Okay, this is not negative and not positive number 0. Now student, here is all positive number. Look at here from 0 to 1, after the 1 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 5 and so on. This is the listing of all positive integer, or we can say all positive number. So these all positive number in integer line we denoting by plus I. Okay, so we can say plus I means all positive number on number line. Okay, or in other word we can say the all positive integer. Okay, this one also represented by symbol Z plus. Okay, now so what about Z negative? Means I negative. These are all negative number on number line. It is easy. Now so we can say these I negative is also all negative integer. Okay, now student, look at here for understanding the preceding and successor. Okay, so from 0 to 1, okay, 0 to 1, this 1 is success on the 0 and this 2 is successing on 1, this 3 is successing on 2. So we can say here the successor of all positive number, the successor of the successor of all positive number is adding by is add by plus 1, correct, by plus 1. So here example 1 is successor of 0. Why? Because 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, look at here, 0 to 1. So 2 is successor of this one. Okay, so here I am writing 1 plus 1, it become 2. Therefore 2 is successor. 2 is successor of 1. Now student, this is the example of successor. But what about the negative number successor? Look at here. So here in nearest these -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5 and so on. So here these 0 is succeeding on the -1. So here who is the successor between -1 and 0? 0 is successor on -1. -1 is successor on -2. Okay, so this is the successor. Okay, this is the successor. This -2 is successor on this -3. Look at here how it possible. Look this student. If I am writing here -1 and adding here I am +1. So what become? It becomes 0. Therefore we can say 0 is successor. 0 is successor on number -1. Similar way, -1 and here if the number we having -2 plus 1, what becomes student? It become -1. It become number -1. Therefore -1 is successor. -1 is successor on -2. Okay, so we can say, look at here, -1 is successor on -2, -2 is successor on -3, -3 successor on this -4 and -4 is successor of -5. So this way we can inversely we can say this -5 is predecessor of this -4. Okay, this -5 is predecessor of -4 and -4 is predecessor of this -3. This -3 is predecessor of -2. -2 is predecessor of -1. So here -1 is predecessor of 0. Clear? So this way you can understand successor and predecessor of number. Predecessor of number. So what we understand, for a predecessor we must to subtract 1. Okay, so -1 we getting here -2. So here therefore -2 is predecessor predecessor of minus 1. Okay. Now let us move to understand